you're so strong, and I've been sent to prove you wrong. So you best get away, running.
Kind of chewing up that water bottle a little bit. Let's do another run. I got to do a lot better than that. Nice oil filter today for fresh target work. The eyeballs are working okay in this light. So, all right, I'm gonna pause out, reset, and we'll get right back to it. Thanks for being here, everyone. All right, let's continue on. Unedited, uncut. Just gonna go for it.
Left town in a stolen Corvette. That long man, he hasn't caught me yet. I went and put my guitar in the pawn. I faced my rear view and now I'm gone. And one that man in blue comes asking questions of you. You tell him you'd heard that I was dead. Had no idea there was a price.
And reload. Okay, this is really close self-defense scenario type stuff. That's my groupings with the SP-101 and 22 long rifle. All right, let's count the paces. How many paces are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, approximately five paces. Okay, just to be honest with y'all, this is not a big deal. My GI Tanto is right there grouping in on that water bottle a little bit too high. Didn't get the water bottle. Going right here with the True Flights. Didn't want to hit both True Flight to True Flight. Grouping right there with those. So it is what it is. All right. This is like boom, threat, quick draw, throw. No fancy competition, no waiting for perfect sight alignment, any of that stuff. So just quick draw and throw. Desperately. Trying to train this for real, okay? Let's go take a look. Not making excuses. The True Flights that hit the ground, I believe I just caught the edge there going for the water bottle right there. So they deflected up and then flipped back off. So I've got All of these grouped up right here. And we did get the water bottle. We did get the water bottle with that true flight. A little bit off to the right. My eyesight sucks. I don't want to go into any details as to why. So struggling with that for the rest of my life, you know. Really just cannot see things clearly anymore at all. So there it is what it is. Let me do another round. I'll call this good, upload it, send it. We'll do maybe a live out here, okay? Pretty soon. Okay, one more. We'll go take an honest look, okay? Definitely some fresh groups there on with my oil filters. Oil filters are some of my favorite targets. Going for that water bottle again. Decided to go up here for this one. Sliding around on the mud today. No, not making any excuses. All right. I put some blades and some bullets on targets once in a while, and try to do the best I can. All right, I hope that's all helpful for you. I'll see you soon on the next one. We'll have this kind of fun. Dead Wolf out. Thanks for being there, everyone.